Hey everyone, it's Bud, and I'm back with another stuff. Today is Wednesday, December 22nd, and it is the morning time. It is roughly 5:50 a.m. Central Time, and I hope you guys are doing well. Wow. Okay, guys. Wow. I'm so excited to bring you guys a new video today because there's some stuff I've got to talk about. There's some stuff I've got to revisit. Okay, guys? Right off the bat, I just need to make it clear. I am going to be revisiting and rethinking the Steamboat Willie prices in this video. Stick around, okay? Because in my previous videos, I think I made some mistakes and I need to revisit that and kind of maybe talk about it, okay? And maybe just rethink the whole thing, okay? So I'm going to do that. With that being said, not a ton else. We've made it through 2 days of the work week already. I personally have one more day, and then I've got a long weekend. I don't know about you guys, but that's pretty cool. So I'm excited about it. And Not a ton else really going on today specifically. I mean, I'm going to be making a video every day, so I don't really want to. I'm not going to talk about the future, right? So what do we got going on today? Really a ton, guys. I mean, really, we just got to kill it. But really, we've got just all of my thought, my brain power this morning has been on the Steamboat Willie drop. I promise you guys. I've been just sitting here just thinking about this thing like all morning long. Seriously, I went for a walk, contemplated it, thought about it more. I'm ready to talk about it though. I'm ready to get everything off my chest and really kind of figure out what I'm really thinking here. With that being said, we just got spreadsheet right at Omi price. We're going to be talking about the drop. I've got the Medium article pulled up again. We're going to be talking about that. I've got a tweet pulled up that I need to talk about, and that's pretty much where we're going to wrap it up today, guys. So, of course, before we get too deep, I know not a lot of people are going to make it to the end of the video, I suppose. So, I would just say good luck to everybody going for the drop today. I mean, great luck to everybody out there. Seriously, I'm going to be going for the drop for sure. I hope I get it. I seriously hope I get it. I'm hopeful. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll literally see what happens. Um, yeah. So, best of luck to everybody out there. I hope you get exactly what you're looking for. And Let's hop into the spreadsheet, and then we're going to talk about the drop right away, okay, guys? Spreadsheet will be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any Veve NFTs, you're going to want to go to the link in the description down below. You're looking for column H on the market prices tab as well as column H on the digital comics tab. Um, that's the portfolio, or that's the spreadsheet. You guys know what it is. We're not going to beat a dead horse here, guys, but I would love it if you guys got some value out of it personally. Okay, let's really talk about what we really came to talk about, guys. And that's going to be the Steamboat Willie drop, okay? I made some absolutely reckless statements, okay, guys, and I apologize. I initially said that I didn't think this thing was going to go for a ton. I think I was wrong about it, guys. I think I was wrong about it. I mean, this thing is going for 60. I don't have a price prediction, and I'll explain why. Let's talk about, like, what is so difficult about this drop, okay? The problem with this drop is that this drop is so important, okay? So since it has such a high importance factor, it's very hard to predict what the price is going to be. For like the same thing is like when the first Disney drop happened. It was kind of like this is the first Disney drop. Nobody knows what's going to happen. There was kind of a lot of additions, but it's like, are these things going to jump up to 1,000? I don't really know. And the same thing kind of applies here. Since this drop is so important, I really don't have a good price prediction, but I'll just tell you guys, I could see a world where the common goes for $200 and the uncommon goes for $200. I mean, I could see a world where that happens. So some people pointed out to me that we've got 18,000 editions, and there's other NFTs that have more editions that are very expensive. And the one that kind of was brought up was the common Spider-Man. There's a lot of editions of it, like 32,000, but that thing is still going for a crazy price, like 200 to 300 bucks maybe. And this thing is way less than that, right? So, I mean, this thing could go way higher, right? Couldn't it? So, it's very hard to say, guys. What I would say is that I think that I could see a world where it kind of goes for anywhere. Like I could see a big range. I don't really know. My initial prediction is totally wrong. I don't see a real world where this thing doesn't go for under $100 maybe. And I could be wrong, and I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are down below. I'm pretty much going to say effectively the same thing about the uncommon. Here's the thing about the uncommon on this drop. I actually personally think that the uncommon is going to fetch a premium. The uncommon is more rare, and we've seen a lot of drops where the uncommon gets kind of passed up by the common. I don't actually think that's going to be a problem here. And the reason is because I think that the uncommon is actually very cool. I think the problem with a lot of other drops is just that the commons always are just the dopest or the most classic or something like that. And so people are always looking for them. And so I don't think that's the same here, though. I really don't think that's the same here. I could see the uncommon actually fetching a premium on this, and I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are about that down in the comments down below. I think so. One prediction I'm going to make is that the uncommon is actually going to fetch a premium. That's a prediction I'm going to make. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not your dad. Like all that stuff, you guys know it. And then let's talk about the ultra rare. I don't know what's going to happen with the ultra rare guys. I really don't. I really don't. All I got to say is this is a piece that has potential to be like legendary, like legendary. So that's all I'm going to say about it. So use that information as you may. I think that the Ultra Rare has a chance of being literally a quote unquote legendary piece. So keep that in mind. So I would really love to know what your guys' thoughts are. Any final thoughts about the prices? Do you guys agree with what I've just said? I'm thinking that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that I I'm not gonna lie to you. Like the ultra rare, I think this thing is going to shoot up in value over the next few days. That's a prediction I'm gonna make. I also think that the uncommon is gonna fetch a premium. That's a prediction I'll make. And I think that the common is gonna get way more of a premium than I initially expected. I initially didn't expect it to go more over 60. That's a complete I'm just totally wrong about that. Those are kind of what I'm willing to go with. What are your guys' thoughts about what I've said here? Do you guys agree with me? I would love to know what your guys' thoughts are about those predictions. Okay, so the tweet I wanted to show you was about this drop here, and so this is from a person named Ray Fixie, and he says. Not enough gems yet, but I'm hyped for Mickey and Labbit on Veve official. This is Ray Fixie. This is not a person that's messing around. This guy is not messing around whatsoever. For that reason, this is another reason why I'm thinking this drop. That, like, this is another reason why I'm kind of talking about this drop and talking about these predictions here. So I wanted to show you guys this. This guy is not playing around. I promise you guys, he's not messing around. So I wanted to show you guys that. Okay, we're going to shout out some homies here really quick. We've got Game Freak AU with a beautiful AR photo. I love it. I love it. I love it. We've got the Deadpool in AR. I love it. We've got Eggerk. We've got Poe. We've got Limp Fix. We've got Sheep Talks. We've got Food Fun. We've got Wolverine. We've got Ancient Pay. We've got Tricky C. We've got TEDA. We've got Collector's Item. We've got Supreme. We've got Wild Airport. Jordan. We've got Comprehensive Area. We've got Bulky Worm. We've got more Ovaltine, please. We've got Spine Broke Help. We've got I'm So Uncreative. Nice. We've got Aromic Z06. And we'll wrap it up right here with these two people here. We got EPYGIT and we've got Presence Known. Those are all the homies for today, guys. Shout out to everybody out there, though. Let's go. We also have Omi's price trading at 0.006338. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your daddy. And nothing in this video is financial advice. And you guys already know that. Alright, guys. Wow. I'm so excited for this drop today, guys. I really am. I don't know what's going to happen, guys. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to just see what the prices do. Like, I'm just excited to cover it. So, I'm excited about it, guys. I hope you guys are as well. I'm excited to get this afternoon video out. I think the drop is at 2. So, the drop is at 2. There's quite a few mints. We'll see. We'll say that the market will be open between a half hour and an hour, which takes us to what, like 3? I want the prices to kind of hit, and I mean, I don't want to like make a video, when they're super volatile. I kind of want them to settle to some degree so I can talk about it. So we'll give it a little bit of time to kind of absorb a little bit, and we'll kind of get an idea, and then we'll kind of make another video for you guys. Um, and with that being said, everybody, have a fantastic day, everybody, and best of luck to you guys once again. This drop is awesome. I'm so fired up, guys. I hope you guys have fantastic luck today, everybody. I'm excited to talk to you guys later. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Peace.